The Bugatti Chiron is not merely a vehicle, it is a pinnacle of human engineering, a mechanical miracle, born from the pursuit of absolute speed. With 1,500 horsepower and a price tag of $3 million, it defies the laws of physics. Today, we step inside the ultra-exclusive Molsheim Atelier in France to witness the birth of this titan, from raw steel to the ultimate road king.
Building a monster requires godlike materials. Every block of raw titanium and specialized aluminum must undergo a microscopic flaw check. If there is a single bubble or crack the size of a dust particle, the entire block is rejected. This is the foundation of the world's fastest production car.
While the engine is the heart, the chassis is the skin. We use a single-piece carbon fiber monocoque. This material is 5 times stronger than steel, but light enough for a child to lift. It is cured in a giant pressure cooker to ensure it can protect the driver even in the event of a high-speed impact.
In Stage 4, we witness the dance of the machines. Giant CNC robots carve the engine block with a precision of 0.1 millimeters. These lasers cut through hardened steel like butter, creating channels for oil and coolant that are as complex as a human nervous system. This is where metal gets its soul.
The heart of the beast is the legendary W16 engine. It is a masterpiece consisting of over 3,700 individual components. Unlike mass-produced cars, every single part here is hand-assembled by a small team of master mechanics. This W16 configuration is what allows the Chiron to breathe fire and produce a level of power that was once thought impossible.
To generate 1 through 500 horsepower, the engine needs air, massive amounts of it. 4 enormous turbochargers are installed in a 2-stage system. At full throttle, these turbos pump 60,000 liters of air into the engine every minute. It's enough air for a human to breathe for 4 days, consumed by the car in just 60 seconds.
Heat is the enemy of speed. At top speed, the Chiron's engine generates enough heat to boil 100 large pots of water in seconds. To prevent a meltdown, a labyrinth of 10 radiators and a high-speed liquid cooling system are integrated. This system circulates 800 liters of water every minute through the engine's veins.
Before it ever meets the car, the engine must survive the fire test. For 8 grueling hours, it is pushed to its absolute red line on a dynamic test bench. The exhaust pipes glow like molten lava as the engine screams. This test ensures that every single W16 can handle the extreme pressure of 400 kilometers per hour.
This is the most sacred moment in the factory, the marriage. The rear engine unit is joined to the front carbon fiber shell. It is held together by only 14 titanium bolts. These bolts are the strongest in the world, ensuring that the car stays in one piece when the 1,600 Newton meters of torque kick in.
Stopping a 2-ton car at 300 miles per hour requires massive force. We install 3D printed titanium brake calipers, the largest of their kind. These, combined with the active rear wing that acts as an air brake, can stop this monster from 400 km/h in just a few seconds. Inside, it's a different world. There is no plastic here, only leather, carbon fiber, and solid aluminum. It takes experts several weeks to hand-stitch the interior. The goal is to make the cabin so silent and luxurious that the driver feels like they are in a private jet, even at record-breaking speeds. A Bugatti must look perfect under any light. 8 layers of specialized paint are applied by robots. but the final finish is done by hand. Workers spend 2 full days polishing the body until it achieves a mirror-like shine. Every curve must reflect the light perfectly, without a single speck of dust.
Before it leaves, the Chiron must face nature. In the monsoon test, thousands of liters of water are blasted at the car to simulate the world's heaviest rainstorms. Not a single drop must enter the cabin or the engine's sensitive electronics. This is the ultimate test of steel and survival.
Final inspection. Each car is checked by a master engineer who has built hundreds of these. They look for the slightest imperfection in the leather, the paint, or the engine sound. Only when it is 100% flawless does it receive the official Bugatti seal of approval.
The Bugatti Chiron, a triumph of human will and a masterpiece of modern engineering. It is the king of the road, the pinnacle of speed, and the ultimate dream. From a steel skeleton to a $3 million legend. Thank you for watching this journey into the world's most elite factory.